Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Jenny here, the Uncrafty Crafter. Today we're gonna open this little bad boy up. It's another painting from Staroar. Can you tell I'm Staroar obsessed? I mean, how can you not be? Their kits are amazing. This one is Hello Again. I love that. The little squirrel is like, excuse me. No, little birdie, you're not gonna get my little nut. The bird's like, yeah, you want them back? I'll poke your eyes out. It's a 40 by 52 centimeter round with rhinestone. Take a look at it. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're having an awesome, blessed day today. Been a pretty decent day around here, I must say. Okay, that one is empty. And here's a little pamphlet that you get. It's a nice thick type brochure with instructions. It tells you the difference in, like, I think this one may tell you the difference in some of the different gems. I'm not sure. It talks about the release paper, the straightener. Yeah, a lot of good information. And best yet, it comes with this little kind of like a legend. You get a legend on your canvas, but then this is nice to have to look at. But also what I do with this is cut these up and then tape them onto my storage boxes to organize my drills whenever I get ready to kit up. So nice. It has, let's see, a total of 22 colors. It has 18 regular drills, and then it has 1, 2, 3, 4 rhinestone drills. So, yay! Staroar does go by DMC code, so that's a bonus. We have here our, ooh, look at the drills. I already see some rhinestones out there. And there's some rhinestones. Yeah, that'll be fun. Fun. Okay, and here's our toolkit. The Staroar canvases have a really nice soft back. It's not that like plasticky feeling that you get with a lot of canvases. Oh, this is sweet, guys. Look at this. How cute is that? How sweet is that? Let me see if I can pull you up a little bit here. That might help to see it all a little bit better. Get it out of that glare. Yeah, he's like, I want that nut. And the squirrel is like, no, I'm gonna shake my little tail feathers at you and make you go away. Cute. Here's your legend on this left side at the top. It has all of your symbols here. They're all alphanumeric, which makes it super nice to work on. You don't have to look for wonky symbols, just letters and numbers. Really clear. Looks like a lot of color blocking up there at the top in that background. A lot. I like that. You like color blocking? Yeah. Cute. There's a little confetti. I don't mind a little confetti as long as it's not 100% confetti. Then that's just a nightmare. But that bird, wow. That bird is going to be pretty when it's done. I wonder if some of these are rhinestones. C and 5 and D. Yep. Bigger than snot. C and 5 and D. All of that blue is going to be rhinestone heaven. So pretty. And that N in the bird right there is going to be rhinestones as well. Yeah, that is awesome. And over here, his wings, that bird is going to be all blinged out. Nice. Oh, I'm so excited. It's sticky. Nice and sticky. Poured glue which is awesome. I don't do very many double-sided adhesive canvases just because, I mean, some of them are okay. A lot of them are okay. But I just don't want to run the risk of getting something, especially with shipping being the way it's been lately. Like, I mean, I'm not going to complain about shipping because Lord knows they're doing the best they can do. The companies are doing the best they can do. The shipping companies are doing the best they can do. So I don't have any complaints. But I will say that whenever you have something like that that can take a lot of time to get to you, and it's all packaged up and beat and banged up, especially when it's coming from China, you know, you never know what kind of shape your canvases that are double-sided adhesive are going to be like when you get them. So most of the time they're fixable, but I ain't got time for that, you know. I ain't got time to root and wrangle and beat around the bush trying to get bubbles and rivers and ridges out. I mean, I will if I have to. I'll just say it that way. I will if I have to, but I don't want to. Okay, let's look at this toolkit because these are awesome toolkits, guys. These are my favorite toolkits. Ooh, I got blue wax this time. That's my first blue wax. I'm going to have to try that and see what I think of it. Whoop, 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 whoop. And then we have some baggies. She always sends enough bags for your drills if you want to store them. You get a little pin with a squishy on it. You get a little boat with a funnel tip. You get a couple of multi-placers and a straightener. I'm just throwing stuff around. You get a 4-placer and a 7-placer. And these are the thin ones. They're the really nice ones. They're my favorites. And then you get a little spacer for the tip of your pen. And then last but not least are my favorite tweezers. They say Staroar, and they're not the don't poke your eye out kid tweezers neither. They're the flat ones. You'll shoot your eye out. You'll shoot your eye out. Okay. Let's put all these back in the bag. Oh, and I like their bag because it's like that soft, nice, reusable bag. I like to hang on to these and keep like extra tweezers because I get a lot, because you get tweezers with every kit from Staroar like that. So I keep all of them. I got tweezers all over the house, and then I keep all my extras in a bag. I'm going to hang on to this blue wax because I'm going to give that a try, boys. Put that over there. Put these tweezers back in here for now till I need them. I got tweezers in my makeup bag. I got tweezers in my manicure nail bag. I mean, I got tweezers everywhere. I use them for everything. Okay, you want to look at some drills? Do you want to look at some drills? Drills and chills. If you don't like this crinkly noise, then sorry about your luck. No, I'm kidding. If you don't like the crinkly noise, then just stick your fingers in your ears for a few seconds. That's a long bag, boys. They're usually not that long. Okay, we got some extras that are by them lonesome. I assume those are all the rhinestones. We'll look at those last since they're so fun. Okay. Ready for this? Got 435. The drills from here from Staroar are always really good too. You can see how pretty. There's 3371, 435. These are hard to see in this light. 839, 3776. 437, 840, it's purple, 550, not very many of those, 898, 918 I think it said, $6.42. It's a kind of a beigey color. $9.21. $7.38. $9.38. $7.80. 7 something. Won't work with me here. $7.83. $8.22 and $7.33, $38. I can't tell what that is. Yeah, very pretty colors. And the drill quality is really good. They all look flat as a pancake on the bottom. See a little bit of a, where'd you go? You're trying to hide from me, ain't you? See, I see a little bit of a knobbly bit right there, but you're gonna have some of those here and there, and that's not a problem. But these look really, really good. Ooh. They look like peas almost in the camera. They're not, actually, they're beige, but in the camera they kind of look green, or is it just me? Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, now you ready for these rhinestones? We have this blue, like a sapphire blue. Pretty. And then we have this red color. Pretty, pretty. And then we have this, is that black? Or another blue? I think that's another blue. I don't know, can't really tell. It looks like a blue. Pretty. And then this is another blue. Yeah, those are really pretty. Super pretty. Put all those colors back up. This one is, you know, just, I don't know. It's kind of gives me like an old-fashioned-y vibe. You know what I mean? Like this reminds me of a picture that my grandpa, my papa, I don't call him grandpa. I don't know why I said grandpa. Maybe because I'm trying to be all extra or something. But anyway, I call him papa. That my papa would have loved. Just because it's, you know, nature. I think most guys would like this kind of thing. But yeah, that's pretty. It really is pretty. I'm anxious to see what the bird's gonna look like. He's gonna be sparkling. That squirrel, I'm gonna have to paint some sunglasses on him because he'll be blinder than a bat because that bird's gonna put his eyeballs out, right? Okay, guys. Yeah, the whole bird basically is gonna be rhinestones. That's gonna be so awesome. That squirrel is gonna look so good. All right, I'm gonna leave the description or the link for the description. Excuse me, I have words. I know how to use them. Let me just back that up. Okay, I'm gonna leave a link to this from Amazon in the description below so that you can check it out. If they're not in stock on Amazon, you can check Staroar.com. She should have them in stock there. Prices are pretty good on Staroar's items. I'm thinking they're right around the $20 mark. So yeah, she's got some that are even like full rhinestones. I've got one of those unboxings coming up soon, so keep an eye out for that. Booyah. All right, guys, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. I would really appreciate it. If you do subscribe, make sure to hit the bell to be notified, ding, 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 to get notified the next time I upload another video. So that will be it for me today. Guys, have an awesome day. Stay safe. Check out this bling again. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.